What is up, guys? Dr. Drew here, back in the channel with one of our own, Niki. You guys seen her in the office, seen her on our page as well. This is her first visit as far as getting treatment at a chiropractic office. A little bit about Niki, if you guys haven't met her before, is she's a recent graduate from Loyola. She studied kinesiology and she's looking to go to PT school here, so she's been interviewing. She's got one at the end of the month. But Niki came in, again, very educated on the spine as far as the body, but never kind of experienced chiropractic care and the benefits that kind of go with it. So I'll let Niki kind of introduce herself, some traumas that she's had in the past, things that she's kind of done, and things that we're going to do now, and then we'll go through a full workup with you guys. So Niki, just tell everyone about yourself.
Yeah.
And go from there.
Hi everybody, I'm Niki. I'm a recent hire here and everything's been great so far. I've never been adjusted before, so this is my first time and I'm really excited. I've been an athlete my whole life. I've played soccer and tennis, so I've never had any serious injuries, but I definitely have experienced back pain and neck pain. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, so Niki has never had any x-rays on her lower back or her spine in general, so we took those like we do with all of our new patients. We'll kind of walk you guys over here to kind of see. So this is a photo of Niki's lower back here. This is the top of her right hip, this is the top of her left, so obviously we can see that that's not level. You're going to see that as the computer's going to trace through the middle of the spine here, she got about a 12-degree curve to this left side, okay? So scoliosis would be anything from 15 degrees more, so she would be like a pre-scoliosis. So what we want to do is adjust the spine, adjust these hips, and then drive that spine nice and straight and center. And we do that through our Scolaroll, which you guys have seen in our previous videos. So we're going to go through a little bit of diagnostic workup with Niki right now, kind of go from there. Again, any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And go ahead, just take a seat for me there, Niki. So first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to essentially just move the spine around. So this is an orthopedic test called KEMP, K-E-M-P, and so what I'm feeling is for that sacroiliac joint, that SI joint where that hip is off on this left side, and see if it's stuck or not. Any discomfort with that range of motion there?
No.
Good, same thing here. Good. What I want you to do now, you're going to stay seated, but you're going to butterfly your knees in and out. I'm just going to hold her hips here on the back side.
Just like this?
Nope, so your feet are going to be on the ground.
Okay.
Just bring your knees in.
Oh, in.
Good.
In and out.
Nope, you got it. So
okay, got it.
Sorry. Yeah, there you go.
There you
Perfect.
Go. Thanks.
Nice and slow. So what this test does, it's going to tell me again if those SI joints are locked up. So I'm just feeling from side to side in the back here at the sacroiliac joint. Kind of go from there. Any discomfort on either side?
No.
Okay. Go ahead, stand up for me. Go ahead, touch your toes. Good. Stand all the way up. Let's bend all the way to the left. All the way to the right. Good. And then back to neutral. And then extend your neck back all the way back. Any discomfort with that?
No.
All right, perfect. Go ahead, lay on your back.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is called a straight leg test. Bring this leg up. Any discomfort with that?
No.
Tension in the hamstrings?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing, other side. It's a lot better.
It's been stretching every day, so it's
There we go. Yeah. All right, so we're going to work a little bit too on Niki's neck. She didn't mention that too, but she does suffer from some neck pain as well. We can kind of go over those x-rays too. So we'll do a little bit of soft tissue work here. You guys have seen this on the channel before. Scoot back a little bit for me. Up towards me. Good. All right, so we're gonna have you turn your head from side. So this muscle is called your sternocleidomastoid. It connects from your mastoid process to your sternum on both sides. It's called your SCM. That's the abbreviation for that. Get a little bit of lotion here. Just wanna stretch this tissue out. So anytime you're looking down at your phone, like on this video, anything like that, this muscle is constantly under tension and stress. Super, super light pressure to start off with. Just like that. How's that feel?
Feels good.
So again, being a student, whether you're studying or in high school, college, even as an adult corporate worker on your phone, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff, that forward flexion, just gonna aggravate this tissue. And when it aggravates, it's gonna put more tension on that skull and that cervical spine, cause irritation. How's that pressure?
Feels good.
You have to be super light in this area. There's a lot of sensitive tissue here as well. Good, other side. You can see that flare right up there. Oof, this side's way tighter. So Niki's never been adjusted, guys. First time she's gonna get adjusted today. It's gonna be huge, it's gonna change her life. Mm-hmm. Good. You're gonna see that her skin's getting a little bit red, a little bit inflamed. We're just gonna get that tissue, a little bit more blood flow. But she's gonna feel the difference when she turns her head side to side. Okay, go back to center. I'm gonna have you flip over.
Okay.
You're gonna go chest down. We're gonna work Niki up. I want you guys to come over here and take a look at this first off. So I'm gonna check her leveling of her pelvis and her feet here. As you guys might be able to see, this right leg is a little shorter than your left here. So it's the first thing we wanna check. So when we check that, we're gonna come up to the pelvis here. We're just gonna touch on the top of the pelvis here. So you feel the top of your right hip?
Yep.
Feel the top of your left?
Yep.
Feel that difference?
Yep.
Which one's higher?
The right.
Exactly. So that means that that right hip shifted up, left shifted down. That's where you're going to see that confirmation that that right leg is short. So with that being said, we want to get that pelvis moving. So Niki, this first piece is going to come up underneath you, just like this. I'm going to push down. We're going to push that right hip down. Good. Next thing, big stretch. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good, again. All the way out. Good, switch sides. Deep breath. All the way out. Good, one more time. Good, all the way out. Okay, so we're gonna adjust these bones to the middle of the back. You're gonna hear it popping and cracking, just gasket in the joint, completely normal. So easiest way, just take a deep breath in. Good, all the way out. Good. Deep breath in, all the way out, all the way out. Perfect. Go ahead, relax your shoulder. Perfect. Good. How you doing, Niki?
I'm good. Ooh, that felt good.
Good. Let that set in, and then we're gonna fix this right hip here. Okay, so we're gonna have you lay on your left side.
Okay.
Place your left ear on the paper. Okay. Give yourself a hug.
Hug.
Yep, we're gonna keep your bottom leg straight. Then bend the top leg, put your ankle behind your knee. Nice and easy. We're gonna find the SI joint here on the right side. I'm gonna put my palm right on it. I'm gonna roll her side, just like that, okay? Not much to get her to move, which is good. It's a positive sign. Let's do the other side. Perfect, good. On your back. Go ahead, feet down. So we're gonna do what we call a decompression. So what a decompression is it's gonna stretch out the spine, especially with patients that have curvature of the spine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna elongate her spine, okay? So I'm gonna have one of the girls go ahead, just sit on her legs and hold those there. A lot of you guys might have seen this on YouTube, TikTok. Go ahead and lift your head up. Go ahead, relax. Different variety names, Y-strap, all that stuff. So we would start off nice, easy pressure. Good. All right, so it's gonna feel like we're just slowly tugging on your head, okay? So we're gonna do a couple of these pulls just like this. Good, then relax. Good. Good, relax.
Oh, that was great.
Let's stay right there, just relax. Let that set in. There's a massive adjustment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what that's gonna do, guys, is it's gonna help elongate the spine. We don't do that in every patient, okay? There's protocol to do that. So you can't just call us and say, hey, can I get the decompression Y-strap? Doesn't work like that. We take x-rays, we analyze, we don't mess around. And by doing this, it's gonna help elongate it, fix that scoliosis as well. So when you're ready, I'm gonna have you come up. We'll kind of review that.
Thank you.
You can stand up.
Okay.
Just tell the viewers a little bit about how you're feeling.
Yeah, I feel, this is like, yeah, I'm like speechless. It feels great. I mean, I feel completely loose. Everything feels great. A lot of cracks though, but probably a good thing, so.
Yeah. Well, that's Niki, guys. I mean, obviously you guys see her in the office, but first time ever getting adjusted, so we wanted to show you guys how it kind of works. And for any of you viewers out there, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We know you guys watch these videos. We have videos that have gone 60, 80,000 views. It really helps us out. Also, take a look at all those short videos that the girls do, whether it's technique, posture, how to fix your neck pain, lower back pain at work. Those work. Those are us coming up with all those videos. So any questions, concerns, give the office a call. We'll see you guys next video.
See you soon. Thanks.